So last weekend, my friends and I decided to have a little backyard barbecue at my place. You know, the usual: someone brings potato salad, someone forgets the ice, someone eats all the chips before anyone else arrives. Looking at you, Dave. Everything was running pretty smoothly until my best friend Mike showed up, grinning like he'd just single-handedly won Wimbledon, carrying not a spatula, but a bright green tennis racket. At first, I thought maybe he'd misunderstood the invite or was planning on starting a casual game of doubles between burger flips. But no, Mike just sauntered over to the grill and, with all the confidence of a guy who's watched exactly one episode of MasterChef and a whole season of Wimbledon, started flipping burgers with the tennis racket. The sizzling patties bounced off the grill, through the racket strings, and occasionally onto the grass. "It's all about topspin," he shouted, as if that explained why my dog was now chasing after a rogue cheeseburger in left field. Things escalated when Mike announced we'd be having deuce burgers, and proceeded to serve two patties stacked on top of each other, sandwiched between buns he'd flattened with a backhand. Every time he handed someone a plate, he called out advantage, and insisted we squeeze the ketchup bottles only when he yelled, "Match point." At some point, my grandma, who'd been quietly nursing her lemonade, asked if the potato salad was being served out of bounds, which Mike declared a fault and started handing out penalty hot dogs. By the end of the night, the grill looked like a clay court, half the burgers had mysterious grill-marked holes, and everyone was exhausted from Mike's running tennis commentary. As we sat around, stomachs full and dignity in shambles, Mike raised his racket in triumph and declared, "Well, folks, I guess you could say today's barbecue was a real grand slam, served medium rare."